Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to download end-to-end encrypted messages on Messenger. So to do this process is just simply go ahead and go to your Messenger. And now, if you ever wondered how to download the end-to-end encrypted messages, if you don't have any messages popping up into your screen, you should be able to simply go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go for the settings tab over here. Now, here, guys, on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here privacy and safety. So go ahead and select on that. Now, here, you could just simply go for end-to-end encrypted chats right over here. Now, from here, you will have an option message storage. And now to download the end-to-end encrypted messages or to restore the chat history, you can just simply tap on this one. And from here, it will download all of the old messages that you have throughout your account and it will be downloaded. And once you have done that, you will have your chats back up again into the messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.